Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones on this Sunday night. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Come join this family known as Stock Up. I'm going to keep this one really short and to the point. We want to look at what's going on. I'm going to talk about a few crypto and just bring an interesting perspective to it all. As we could see right now, the pre-markets, now this is the pre-markets, this is Monday's pre-markets. You could see that it is driven by what? Fear. We are in fear in the stock market, which also affects crypto. We can also see that when I first piped things up here in the studio, this was pretty flat and it is trending downward. Now, it could reverse by tomorrow morning, but we have to track it to see. I don't mean track it while you guys sleep. Just go to sleep. Remember, we're not doing that, all right? So I want you guys to be on the lookout for CPI. CPI is coming January 15th. That is this week. We got CPI that is due, and it will be releasing December's CPI number, right? So CPI, which comes out an hour before the market opens, okay? Consumer price index. And it could move markets just like the jobs did, right? So it is a major. And I believe after that, the next thing that could be a market mover is the inauguration. And then after that, which is on January 20th, that's when the inauguration will be. So we got CPI, PPI, and the inauguration. Those three things could be market movers. Okay, so let's just wait and see. It's going to be a choppy little period, though I believe most of the choppiness was last week. Historically, good people in the stock market, when we have a bad start, so no Santa Claus rally, and then a bad first week in January, then it is not a good signal for the rest of the month. Okay, watch this clip from Jamie Dimon. This came on this morning on CBS. And this was Jamie Dimon explaining why he does not like Bitcoin.
And as chairman and CEO of the largest bank in America, it matters what Jamie Dimon has to say about things. Listen to him on Bitcoin. You have called Bitcoin a Ponzi scheme. You've said that it's as useless as a pet rock. What do you really think?
You can have some kind of digital currency at one point. So I'm not against crypto. Bitcoin itself has no intrinsic value. It's used heavily by sex traffickers, money launderers, ransomware. So I just don't feel great about Bitcoin. I applaud your ability to want to buy or sell it, just like I think you have the right to smoke. But I don't think you should smoke.
Since he took charge of the bank 20 years ago, the company has doubled its number of employees to 320,000 and grown its assets by nearly $3 trillion.
So he's making more money than he's ever made. He's raising more money. Actually, they're making their money off of transactions. And Bitcoin poses a threat, not just Bitcoin. All crypto poses a threat, especially XRP, which I will get into XRP. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you something that I want you to see. Okay, so look at this, good people. Created in 2012, especially for payments, XRP can settle transactions on Ledger in 3 to 5 seconds. 3 to 5 seconds, good people. When some business-to-business transactions through a bank takes days, if not hours, to transact. Days, okay? So you're talking the difference in days and hours. And then you go, okay, well, that's big, yes. But I also want you to take a look at this. Banks make their money, especially JP Morgan, one of the country's largest banks, is making a killing off of transactions, right? And so you could see here, Q2 of 2024, Q1, Q3. So look at this. Let's start at the bottom here. Chase, JP Morgan, net revenue was 10.1 billion, up 6.4 billion. Look at that. Look at that. up 5.8 billion. Here, JP Morgan Chase Bank revenue was 4.5 billion, up 6%. You see that? Banking revenue 2.0 billion, up 27%. Q3 of 2024, revenue 17.0 billion, up 8%. You can see that, right? Revenue was 8.6 billion, up 8%. It just keeps going up and up and up. And so, yes, crypto poses a threat because these banks make their money off of your money with your deposits. Now, you could see that they are growing exponentially, but look at what's happening to your local banking. They're laying them off. They moved everything to online banking. Oh, you have to come here, online banking, but then they're growing on the top end, right? And you could see how they make their money. Anything that's a threat. Some of you guys that live in New York, you can't even buy certain crypto because New York is the financial epicenter. That's what's going on, good people. So I believe there's room for both. Now, I'm going to shift into XRP. We could see here, I want you to look at this right quick. You could see 2 days ago, XRP forms bullish pennant, right? Next stop, $4.50, 4.5 possibly scenario. So they just give you a scenario, right? That was 2 days ago. Now, 1 day ago, XRP chart patterns warns of incoming XRP price swings. And so this is why I don't do XRP videos every day, because it is a yo-yo. Then 11 hours, XRP skyrockets 80% in volumes. Is bigger move coming, right? And so this one talks about a pennant. This was, let me show you guys, a bearish pennant saying that there could be a big move coming up or down. And in this one, it actually shows you that there is a bearish pennant forming right here, good people, on X, all right? According to this, it shows you a bearish pennant here, all right? And showing that there could be a break to the downside. Now, depending on which one you read, you think is breaking upward or you think is breaking downward, right? But I just say, why not just look at where I could buy and accumulate right now, because we still have time on our side. As we could see, XRP has what? Back to number 3 again. We could see that. What also did XRP do over the last 7 days? Remember, we were down. Now we're up 4% flat over the last 24 hours. So I wanted to talk about XRP, and I want you guys to know that XRP is something that you don't want to just pile all in based on reading one report. I just showed you. One was 11 hours ago bullish, right? And one was 1 day ago bearish, 2 days ago bullish. And so it's simple for someone like me. As a matter of fact, let's just take a quick look. Okay, let's go over this again because I want you guys to be prepared, okay? Don't buy all in the green, good people. You're going to continue to look at your XRP in the red. It's simple. Take the highs, take the lows, come halfway, and you could see 220-ish or 225-ish. You could set some buy orders right here, right? 225-ish, set some buy orders right here. You could set some buy orders right here around 214, right? And then you could set some buy orders here at around 2, right? And then if you want to buy some here. Now, I want to go to some meme coins that I want you to keep an eye on, right? And these meme coins are legacy meme coins, 2 of them. And then you have 2 that are new. Doge, down 12% for the last 7 days. Pepe, 14%. BONK, 20%. All right? But let's keep our eye on the prize. What's the prize? Market cap. Look at what's going up in market cap. Doge, number 1. Shiba Inu, number 2. Pepe, number 3. All right? And then BONK. Look at that. You can see that, good people. So they're moving up in popularity and market cap. What drives these meme coins? You and I, community, that's what drive these meme coins. Doge will wake up, okay? I personally don't have all of my money in Doge. Shiba Inu will wake up. Let's deal with Shiba Inu again. I still have my Shiba Inu. For those that says, hey, Larry, you never talk about Shiba Inu anymore. I still have it. I haven't sold any of my Shiba Inu. I'm still holding from when I bought last year. But I do want you guys to be careful of comments, or should I say reports like this. Leading exchange forecast, Shiba Inu could surge by, this insane number to reach $1. You can see that, right? Like 4,166,576%, right? To $1, right? Right. And so you guys see that and you go, oh, well, let me buy. Then when you read further down in the report, you could see disclaimer after disclaimer after disclaimer. And I think I passed it. The reality of it is that, look at this. Meanwhile, platforms like Telegram suggest that Shiba Inu could reach $1. But there's always a big but in the room. Only after several decades of gradual growth, right? So it's talking about by 2050, all right? And so this is the time when crypto starts moving back up. That's when the pump will be on. And some of you guys that are saying, listen to this, good people, the same people that's saying, it's over, Larry, just tell the people it's over. It's going back to zero. Bitcoin is going back to 18,000. Just tell them it's over. Those same people, good people, watch their names when they make these comments, are going to be the ones that say when Bitcoin goes to 120, to the moon. When Bitcoin's at 130 to 150, don't sell, it's going to the moon. Same people, good people. These are going to be the same idiots that's going to cause you to lose money by not exercising patience, okay? So let's keep it moving. All right, so I just want you to see that Dogecoin, it will make some moves. I do believe it will make some moves, right? But look at this. Shiba Inu, Pepe, so you got two legacies, Shiba Inu and Doge. Shiba Inu is going to wake up, but it's not going to go to $1. That ain't happening, okay? You saw the report, that I agree with. But then you got Pepe and BONK. Larry, you don't talk about BONK anymore. I have every ounce of the BONK that I bought. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm telling you Larry has his, because I believe that BONK is going to wake up and dance because what? Popularity. So last cycle, it was Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu will wake up. But this cycle, I believe that Pepe and BONK are the twins that are going to outperform SHIB, just like SHIB outperformed Dogecoin in the bull market of 2021. So this was 2016's dog, before. And then what happened? Shiba Inu came and outperformed Doge in 2021. And now BONK and Pepe, and I've been saying this since last year, BONK and Pepe is going to outperform, almost a full year, not just last year. So BONK and Pepe, these twins, are going to outperform Shiba Inu. Now, this will move north, but Pepe and BONK will move further north than Shiba Inu. When is Shiba Inu going to move? When your mom and your daddy and that your uncle and all of that older generation get back in, when Bitcoin starts to move north. All right. That's what I wanted to talk about, good people. So Stock Up U is the best cryptocurrency course out there. Okay. It's just one of the best, especially bang for your buck. It's going to look like this. Stock Up U, where you learn stocks and crypto, and you can absolutely crush it in crypto. Learning is earning, good people. I want to leave it right there. There's going to be some links in the description. I want you to check those out. And just remember, we got to keep our eye on the prize. We got to be patient. It's going to take some time. All right. And I know I said this one's going to be short. I can't do it because I always have too much to talk about. I want you guys to get the entire story. Listen, I want you to have a happy trading week. You know, Friday was National Quitters Day, but we start. When quitters quit, we start, okay? So remember, we're starting our 21-day fasting. We're going to take that money and we're going to invest it. For those of you that didn't see my video on yesterday, 21 days fasting or whatever it's been eating your money, and we're going to put it into our portfolios. We're not going to put it into Jamie Dimon's banks, but we're going to put it in our portfolios and we're going to send our money to work. All right, good people. I'm going to leave it right there. We'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn. For those of you in my money stock crypto or money moves stock crypto club, we will see you in the morning. Peace.